Hey Pretty Birdies! Today we're going to talk about the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. The Powder Room is a weightless, skin-smoothing, translucent setting powder that locks your makeup into place. Simply dab the powder onto the face with our little puff applicator. This will keep your makeup looking fresh and flawless all day long. Our powder will effortlessly enhance the look of your skin by blurring and filling fine lines without leaving a trace of color, so it's perfect for any skin tone. Pore-minimizing, silky smooth, and formulated to absorb excess oils, while also reducing shine and providing skin with a soft, matte finish.